I'll just say it to the camera there. Say it!
What am I saying?
Say it to the camera!
Thank you for putting in the -20 windshield washer, whatever, fluid.
That's fluid, yes. Fluid.
Okay, fluid.
Fluid. Say it fluently.
Fluid. Yeah. Because when it gets to be winter in, like...
A month.
Yeah.
Hopefully we have Christmas snow.
Yeah.
And
It
snow
won't
on
freeze.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Snow on Thanksgiving is always fun because nothing wrong with some turkey and some brew and some snow with a fire.
What do you know?
Gotta love it.
What do you know?
Winter's coming.
What do you know?
And the Saab, this thing, the best in the winter. Didn't you all know that they were built for snow? And this one over here gets to enjoy
Donuts.
donuts. Oh, donuts in the snow. I thought you were talking about Dunkin' Donuts. What do we got over here? We got a Saab. This is a Saab update to all you guys following my channel who love Saabs. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a nice fall/winter service on this old beast. She's got 156,000 miles on it. So the only tools you need to do an oil change is a 13mm wrench for the drain plug and an oil filter wrench like this, and should be good. So I just turned the lights on. I noticed the other night that one of the license plate lights was flickering, so I'm gonna just make sure everything else is working. I know the blinker lights are all good because they are operating at normal speeds. So as you can see in the front here, we got all threes there working. We got all threes there working. We got everything working there. Got everything working there. I know the brake lights are working because these Saabs are awesome at chiming when the brake lights don't work, so I know that they're working. And the last thing I want to look at is right here. Right now, this is on, but you can see that under certain circumstances it's flickering. So I'm gonna get in there and make sure that bulb is fully secured in there since it's an LED light. And that's it. As for fluids, in the wintertime, the fluids, especially your coolant, since you're using heat, if you have any existing leaks, it will eat up the fluid. And as you can see here, we have plenty of fluid there. I know that our power steering fluid is good. Our brake fluid is good. Windshield washer fluid we can top off. We have some here, so we can go ahead and do that. Hey, I just said to the camera there. Say it!
What am I saying?
Say it to the camera!
Thank you for putting in the -20 windshield washer, whatever, fluid.
That's fluid, yes. Fluid.
Okay, fluid.
Fluid. Say it fluently.
Fluid. Yeah. When it gets to be winter in, like...
A month.
Yeah.
Hopefully we have Christmas snow.
Yeah.
And
It
snow
won't
on
freeze.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Snow on Thanksgiving is always fun because nothing wrong with some turkey and some brew and some snow with a fire.
What do you know?
Gotta love it. Winter's coming.
What do you know?
And the Saab, this thing, the best in the winter. Didn't you all know that they were built for snow? And this one over here gets to enjoy
Donuts.
donuts. Oh, donuts in the snow. I thought you were talking about Dunkin' Donuts. No, well, we can do donuts in the snow, but this is four-wheel drive, so... But yeah, no, she gets to enjoy the freaking awesome heat and the warm heated seats.
The Saab heat?
Yeah, the Saab heat. Nothing better than that. That's why we keep this car, right?
Well...
Nah, don't go there.
It's a convertible, so it's better in the summer, actually.
Wait, say that again so I get it on camera?
It's a convertible, so it's better than the summer than it is in the winter.
Well, it's on record now, guys. Last step here is to put 4.3 quarts of oil back in that pan.
Stock of oil change fluid?
Now guys, I have under stock of this oil because every car in my garage takes 5W30 for the most part. But yeah, the secret is people pay for oil changes in my house here, like my brothers, and sometimes I stack up the extras, and every once in a while it gives me a free oil change. So, the last thing that I like to do on every oil change is I put a fuel injector cleaner by Chevron. You can buy it at any parts store or right here on the link or down below there's a link. All this stuff, all the supplies for this job I will link below through Amazon that you guys can purchase. If you have any other questions you can ask me. And one final step on this oil change is I'm going to go ahead, lower the car, check the dip, make sure we're full on oil, and clean up the shop. Make sure there's no oil leaking, which of course there isn't, because we secured everything.
Something else.
Huh?
Something else.
It's called, that's called air conditioning water. Not to worry there, darling, not to worry. Dun, da, da, da. You want to do the close?
Like, share, and subscribe.
And do the three. Do the three for Kyle and us.
And
also, if you guys care to purchase any of the products for this job, check out the links below. That also helps us and the channel and the Saab. So thanks again for watching. Please hit that.
Like, share, and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.